Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best fish bowls that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Marineland Portrait Glass LED Aquarium. A fantastic and reliable fish tank, it's a great kit for anyone wanting to get the best out of their betta. The unique 16.8 tall portrait design features thick curved glass that looks great and makes maintenance a breeze. The vertical design lets your betta experience more of the tank as decor, and plants take up a lot less room. A 3-stage biofoam filter is tucked away and comes with adjustable flow settings, allowing you to get the best flow for your betta. Hinged LED lighting makes for easy access to the tank. Featuring a 3-way switch, you can toggle between white, blue, off, and blue only settings. What's cool is the bright white lights create a shimmering effect, mimicking the underwater effect of sunlight. A horizontal sliding lid is a nice touch to tank, making feeding and maintenance easy. It has a big visual presence. I have a similar 10-gallon marine aquarium by a bigger name and paid a lot more for it because of the hidden filtration, but this little aquarium far surpasses that one. There's also a false wall in the back that hides the filter and pump, explains another reviewer, a feature that only adds to the aesthetics. Most reviewers mention this tank being ideal for a betta fish, although reviewers caution that the highest flow setting on the filter may be too strong and the filter should be set to low before putting your betta in the tank. Number 2, Fluval SPEC Freshwater Aquarium Kit. The 15-gallon Fluval Flex is an awesome fully integrated nano tank that is like a betta Shangri-La. The front viewing panel gently curves outward, giving you a better view of the fish. Behind the back panel of the tank is a compartment that holds the multi-stage filtration system. This compartment also has room to hold your heater and other equipment, all completely hidden behind the tank's blacked-out back wall. It includes a 7500 K LED light perfect for growing plants. The light comes with a remote that lets you change the color scheme and fine-tune the spectrum. This tank provides plenty of room for lots of decorations, plants and perhaps some other community fish to live with your betta. It's very modern looking and fits right into the modern office space, and I get lots of compliments and cubicle visits from other co-workers on the tank. Another reviewer says, "The size and look are attractive for my study desk. I also like that all the equipment is hidden behind the black panel and out of sight." Several 5-star reviewers note that there's no heater, so they opted to purchase one separately to go with the tank, but otherwise, setup seemed to be relatively easy. And though it can fit several fish, for some, just one is enough. They say 1 inch of fish, without fins, per gallon, one reviewer explains. Number 3, Aquarium Kit, Fish Tank with Filter. If you're not a fan of glass aquariums, the Tetra Crescent Acrylic Aquarium is a nice option. Measuring at 16.6 x 11.2 x 13.2 inches, it comes with a seamless curved front, black base frame, and clear cover. The best feature is the tank's trademark Tetra Whisper filter. An excellent filter, it uses a 3-stage filtration process and is fantastic at keeping your tank water clean. The Whisper filter does exactly what its name suggests, it hardly makes a sound. The kit includes ultra-activated carbon, which does a great job at removing odors and discoloration. Hidden LED lighting illuminates your tank with its bright white lights. And the hinged plastic lid offers easy access to your tank for maintenance. However, there is an opening at the top. Your betta would have to be very skilled to make the jump, but the risk is there. Since these come in larger sizes than most fish bowls, they are a better option for more types of fish, she says. BioHerb products tend to be quite pricey, though, and only BioHerb replacement parts can be used in these. The BioHerb Classic works for smaller fish collections. It has more bells and whistles than a plain glass bowl, but retains the classic spherical shape. Number 4, Marina LED Aquarium Kit. A wonderful pick for any novice looking to buy their first tank and venture into the world of fish keeping. The kit includes all the equipment you'd need to get started, including an aquarium care guide for beginners. It'll teach you how to set up and maintain your tank, net, and food. You'll get the Aqua Plus water conditioner and cycled biological supplement to make sure the water is a safe environment to keep your betta healthy. The filter is powerful, quiet, doesn't take up too much space, and does the job of keeping your tank clean. LED lights in the canopy are bright, producing natural daylight, so you can illuminate your fish, plants, and decorations. As one explains, the LED lights work beautifully for the plants, they are growing very quickly. And the betta fish colors really pop under these lights. And one reviewer finds the LED lights are so good for growing plants, I have been removing all fake plants as the real ones spread. I am so happy this has worked for live plants because it makes the whole aquarium experience more rewarding and fun. It has a lid with a built-in LED light that can be set to 7 different colors, Billingsley says. The lights come with a timer so you can create a routine for your fish. It also has a filtration system and is made of impact-resistant acrylic, says Billingsley. Number 5 Fluval Flex Aquarium Kit, black, 15-gallon. There is no difference between a betta fish tank and one for other species, said Waldron. Although it's not uncommon to see betta kept in tiny tanks, they actually need a minimum of 5 gallons to comfortably swim around. The 19.5-inch tall Fluval Flex Freshwater Kit comes with a sleek 20-inch square glass tank that holds 15 gallons of freshwater and a 3-stage filtration system. Unlike a 2-stage system that has only a sediment filter for removing particulate matter and a carbon filter to remove chlorine and condition the water, it includes a reverse osmosis membrane to remove organic and inorganic compounds. This tank also has a 7,500 K LED lamp with mixed RGB, red, green, blue, and white lights that you can adjust to produce almost any atmospheric color with the remote. Foam and carbon for the filter and Biomax media are also included. Biomax media is a biological filtration method that controls the ammonia and nitrate levels in the water. According to Waldron, betta tanks require a good filter and a reliable heater that can keep the water at a steady 78 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.